to watch some of the cringiest videos to exist on the internet. And that's not all. If I cringe more than 50 times throughout this video, I have to post some of my cringiest videos at the end. I don't think that one would have got me if the tongue hadn't done like the full car windshield wipe around. Oh my gosh. I didn't even want to look at it. I also didn't even know that this side of like the internet existed.
My name is Bad Boy Halo because I'm a bad boy. Grr. Uh-oh, spaghetti.
She wanna I mean, she like boys and girls. Oh well, that's okay for me. I'll take you to the toddler shop.
Nope. The toddler shop. Don't touch me because I think the sexy Roblox alone is cringe.
Oh. Watermelon, frozen strawberry.
Where's the shirt? Oh!
Yes, sir!
Full fast shots. Nigga try to run up, then I empty out the Glock like.
Why? I think that the people who think that they're sexy, that like actually like really go for it, are cringier than anybody who's unintentionally cringy.
Starbies, I got Star. I don't even like coffee, but I guess I'll try it. Delicious. Now let's see what goodies await me in here. Ooh, a cake globe. First bite incoming. Delicious. Yep.
It's making me sweat. Like, I feel like literally uncomfortable.
POV, I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Stop.
I could do this all day.
What are you so afraid of? I said enough.
She said enough. Send this to your crush and say you want to give them a big wet smoochie. That's already cringe. Brought my passy to school in case I missed Daddy, and I'm already tempted. How old are you? Incredibly uncomfortable. No, not her showing it. Them showing it. I don't know what your pronouns are, but you're grossing me out. Oh no. I hate the thirst traps. Oh. I'm starting to actually get nauseous. Like, I don't know if this is like an effect of like just like actually getting grossed out, but like genuinely I actually feel nauseous. Put your phone at your crush's height. How tall is your crush? They like
hello.
When Kitty is being a derpy little potato baka and you crave watts of cuddles. Ooh.
I was wondering if I could order 1 attentions, please.
I'm pretty sure I've already lost. I don't even know how many times I've cringed, but I'm sure the number is outrageous.
And that, TikTok, is what Parchment smells and tastes like.
What? What did I just watch? How old are you? How old are you? Where are your parents? Have they seen this video? Where are you? Are you at school? Ah! Don't take your shirt off. Enough. I feel like I'm actually being tortured. Like, I kind of thought, like, oh, this will be fun. But it's really not.
Hey,
Every time you
babe,
get a country
we're
boy
going
to
to
come to you.
Cabela's. And if you don't answer, say, hey, babe, I made you a sandwich. If you still don't answer, hey, babe, I got you a new can of chew.
Oh my gosh. At one point, I really wanted to be part of this culture.
After this point, I had cringed over 47 more times, which means I definitely lost this challenge. So as promised, here are some of my cringiest videos.
I made this because I just wanted to. That's me. Oh my gosh. And I thought I was so cool. And that jacket. I thought that I was styling. That I was putting all the other music video hoes out of business. It's hard to watch. That's enough of that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of the cringe. Please subscribe if you enjoyed.